Today's hack is offer creation. In our scale program, one of the biggest things that we talk about is how to pick a niche and build an irresistible offer that your prospects just cannot say no to. If you don't have an offer for your agency, you're gonna keep trying and trying to sell, and they're just not gonna listen to you because whatever you're saying isn't really valuable to them. They're not gonna give you any money, they're gonna put it off for later, and you're gonna waste an enormous amount of time for your agency and a lot of frustration for your salespeople. So today, you gotta make a decision. I need to create an offer that is irresistible for my prospects, and how do I get them to say yes? How do I make it so good that they feel stupid saying no? If you need help building offers, I recommend a great resource. It is a book called $100 Million Offers by Alex Hermosi. Get that for 99 cents on Kindle. It will help you tremendously how to craft an amazing offer for your niche. Now, if you don't have a niche, offer creation is gonna be kind of worthless. So figure out who your niche is and what your offer is gonna be. And this is one of the greatest hacks I can give you across all the hacks that I have ever taught in any of these series. If you're looking to grow your agency and figure out, hey, I need an offer, I need a niche. Well, that's what Clickx does every single day here. We have 150 plus consultants that are helping agency owners generate leads, close business, and help them from a fulfillment perspective. If you want to find out if Clickx is the right fit, go ahead and schedule a call with one of our consultants. But if you want to do this, grab that book, put some time for your agency, what I call working on the business rather than working in the business, and start doing some worksheets so that you can create the best offer for your prospect. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.